Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss how to find the inverse of a matrix. Okay. Now, case number 1. Now, case 1 is when the determinant of a matrix is 1. Determinant of matrix A written as A bar is 1. Okay. What do we do when the determinant of a matrix is 1? Let's have a look at an example. Let's suppose A is a matrix and it is given by these elements. Okay. Now, how do I find A inverse? Simple. First of all, I find the determinant of A. And that is given to be as 9 into 4. The product of the leading diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal, minus 5 into 7. So what do I get? 36 minus 35 is equal to 1. So 1 is the determinant. Now step 2 is interchange the elements of the leading diagonal of the given matrix. Now the given elements of the matrix were these. We interchange them like this. So what do I get? 4, 9 and 5 and 7. And step 2 is change the sign of the elements of the other diagonal. The other diagonal is 5, 7. So I change the sign of the elements of the other diagonal. So what is the answer? A inverse. This is answer. A inverse is 4 minus 5 minus 7 and 9. So this is the answer of A inverse. Okay. Now let's have a look at another case. Case 2 is when determinant is neither 1 and determinant is nor 0. Okay. In the first case, the determinant was 1. In the previous case, the determinant was 1. Determinant of the matrix was 1. Now, in this case, the determinant is neither 1 nor 0. Okay. So, let's have a look at an example. Let's suppose A is equal to 6, 10, 4 and 7. I have to find A inverse. First of all, I find the determinant A, which is 6 into 7 minus 4 into 10. So that is 42 minus 40. So that is 2. Okay. So determinant A is 2. Now next is that I interchange the elements of the original matrix. So what do I get? Here I interchange the elements of the leading matrix. So I get 4 and 10. And the next step is I change the sign of the elements of the other diagonal. And then what do I do? Next step is I multiply this with the reciprocal of the determinant. And what is the determinant is 2. So what is the reciprocal of the determinant? The reciprocal of the determinant will be 1 by 2. So I multiply 7 minus 4 minus 10 and 6 by 1 by 2. So what is the matrix that I get? I get 7 by 2 minus 5 minus 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is the inverse of the matrix A. Okay, so this is how we find the inverse of the matrices. I hope you understood, and see you in the next video.